Rebuilding the wooden dash. This was on the car when I bought it. I preferred it with the metal dash as it is. There I've refurbished the metal dash and repainted the white, but unfortunately I haven't got the door for the cubby, so I'm pretty much stuck with this one, and so I've refurbished it. It's come up very well. The couple of parts that I had to put car body filler in, but then I've redone it with a Sikkens product. This one, the Acetal HLS Plus, is the primer, and then the top coats are with this. It will dry slightly duller than this. It will give a matte finish, but it brings the grain up quite well. See how it is when I put it into the dash proper. Now you can see the dash there is slightly ripply, but I flatted it off with wet and dry, put another couple of coats on it, and you'll see the result when it's in. This is the dash in my TR4, and just to let you know that the refurbishment I did was 2 years ago, so this has been in the car for 2 years. It's standing the test of time. I'm happy with the finish. You can see the grain, and I like my cars to look their age, so I'm happy with this, and I hope you will be too.